Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You open the Watch Ads app and immediately sign in. Make sure you verify email or phone so rewards track correctly. Once done, grant required permissions like background refresh and notifications so ads play uninterrupted and you stay logged in. Next, set up your payout method. Link PayPal or bank and confirm identity. This prevents payment holds. You're ready to start watching. Tap the Earn tab and queue ads. Begin with short videos to confirm playback and reward crediting works. You now focus on efficiency. Create playlists or enable autoplay so ads run hands-free while you do other tasks. Pay attention to ad types. Short CPM ads often yield higher per minute return, while long reward ads may pay more per view, so balance based on goals. Make sure you follow completion rules, don't skip, keep required view time, and know whether the app needs to be foregrounded. Also track daily caps and bonus multipliers, so you don't waste time on ads that no longer pay. You're ready to cash out. Request payout once you reach the minimum balance and note the expected processing time so you know when funds should arrive. If rewards don't credit, gather evidence, screenshots and timestamps of watched ads, and contact support promptly. For immediate fixes, restart the app, clear cache, relogin, or update to the latest version. These steps resolve most sync issues. If problems persist, provide device model, OS version, and proof of missing credits to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.